journeying through life alone. Since we're most loved by a mother, Jesus gave us his own. Be with us, Mary, along the way. Guide every step we take. Lead us to Jesus, your loving Son. Come with us, Mary, come. Jesus met with rejection, Mary stood by the cross. How can a mother desert her son? She'll also stand by us. Be with us, Mary, along the way. Guide every step we take. Lead us to Jesus, your loving Son. Come with us, Mary, come. Star of the ocean, be with us in our strife. When we are faced with temptation, tossed by the storms of life, be with us, Mary, along the way. Guide every step we take. Lead us to Jesus, your loving Son. Come with us, Mary, come. Life's banquet, we shall run short of wine. Then as at Cana request your Son to make our lives divine. Be with us, Mary, along the way. Guide every step we take. Lead us to Jesus, your loving Son. Come with us, Mary, come.
चले हम साथ तेरे राह में, प्रभु के चरणों में मिल जाए चैन। सपने तेरे पूरे करे, उम्मीदों का दिया रोशन करे। तेरा नूर हो साथ हमेशा, तेरा प्यार बनाए रास्ता। प्रभु हम तेरे गवाह बनेंगे, तेरे नाम से दुनिया जगाएंगे। मगर तेरे साथ की दुआ साथ है, तेरा वतन हमेशा पास है। हम तेरे गवाह बनेंगे, तेरे नाम से दुनिया जगाएंगे। मगर तेरे साथ की दुआ साथ है, तेरा वतन हमेशा पास है। मिशन का ये दीपक जलाए, अंधेरे को रोशनी दिखाए। तुरा की धरती पवित्रा है, तेरे सेवा में डर न गए। मंजिल हो दूर हिम्मत ना हारे, तेरे साथ है प्यार के तारे। प्रभु हम तेरे गवाह बनेंगे, तेरे नाम से दुनिया जगाएंगे। मदर तेरेसा की दुआ साथ है, तेरा वचन हमेशा पास है। प्रभु हम तेरे गवाह बनेंगे, तेरे नाम से दुनिया जगाएंगे। मदर तेरेसा की दुआ साथ है, तेरा वचन हमेशा पास है।
Every parishes there is a grotto made by the missionary fathers, but that is not a permanent, and she wants to stay permanently. That's why she look every nook and corner of Garo Hills. Then finally, she decided to come here. But, it was in a dream, like a vision dream, no? She revealed to me like that, no? So I brought here just simply. I brought a statue and made this this one, carved this stone. Then I just simply put, no. Then bishop supposed to come, but there was no annually. She settled here, and now permanently she wants to stay here. And now those who are coming here, they have a special kind of this inspiration, and those whoever comes and pray to Our Lady, they get some kind of intervention and
Peace of mind,
yeah.
like that.
This one, no, inner conviction and inner transformation, healing, no. And Bishop also, when we inaugurated this one, laying the foundations, and whoever comes and pray for that intention, they receive. Many got miracles and heal. And those who, that family, those who are struggling to maintain peace and harmony in the family, they get broken families, they reunited and live peacefully now. Big house for Mother Mary. So that's why it came. The story behind it. Then